Hey guys, what's up? This is AJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, here I have with me a box full of accessories for my car which I purchased from Amazon in the ongoing Great Indian Sale. And yeah, these are the essentials that you must have for your car to ensure that it is pretty neat and well maintained. So let's go over each of these products on a brief basis, and I will ensure to make a detailed video on them in the future. So definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so when I release the future videos you are notified. So yeah, let's start with the first one. So this is called the Joe Pasu duster, and if you stay in an apartment and you don't have the facility to wash your car daily and there is a lot of dust that is being settling in your parking, then this is definitely the product that you should go for. So here you need not want water or any kind of cleansing soap for your vehicle. The threads that this duster has is made of wax and it drives off the particles of dust that settles on the top and the body of the vehicle. So this is the one that I got, and I will be sharing each of the product links in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check it out, go through the reviews, and if you find it helpful then definitely order it for your vehicle as well. So yeah, this is the one. And the next is nothing but the refill for this wiper. So once the wax on these threads wears off, you need to wash it and then spray with the wax, the extra wax liquid that is provided with this, and yeah, you are good to go again. So I just purchased that as well. Let me keep this aside. The next product that I have is this very innovative V-Shark cordless rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner. It is really small and handy. Let me show it to you guys. Yes, as you can see, it is extremely portable and very small, and I have used it a couple of times. And don't go by the size, this is definitely one of the best vacuum cleaners that you can find for your interior cleaning of the vehicle. It comes with a extra handle which has this kind of brush to go in the corners and ensure the deep clean in the seats and the foot area. And apart from that, this is the charging cable. So yeah, it's USB, so you can definitely charge it in your car or you can do it on your home as well. So this is, let me keep this aside as well. Next, I have this interior cleaner as well as the 500 GSM cleaning cloth from Shynix Pro. Both are these from Shynix Pro company, and I just got it by looking at the reviews that I have, and definitely I will try this and give a detailed video. And next we have this handy brush to clean off the dashboard and the AC vents and the rest of the hard to reach areas, delicate parts of the vehicle, so that once we brush it off we can use the vacuum cleaner to pick the dust off. And last one is this key cover that I got for the key of my vehicle, and it's from a company called Keyzone. So this is definitely one of the most premium and safe covers, good looking covers I could find for my vehicle key. And definitely these are exactly the 4 buttons that I have, and it is very easy to put it on the keychain key as well. And yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. If you liked the products I am sharing with you, then definitely please like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, let me know, and share this video with your friends and family. So if they have a new car or they are planning to purchase a new vehicle, then definitely they should have these accessories to ensure that the vehicle is kept neat and tidy from the inside as well as from the outside. So yeah, I will see you in the next one, and I will come up with a detailed review of each of them and I'll post it. So definitely stay tuned to my channel. AJ here, signing off. Bye bye.